point he made that the President of the United States would veto the FISA legislation if he doesn't get immunity for the phone company says it all. The idea that you'd put at risk and allow a law to expire, which is specifically designed to allow us to do a better job in surveillance and protect our security while simultaneously protecting the rights of privacy, is the extreme lengths to which this administration would go to protect a handful of companies. I think the Senator made this point, but it's worthy of repeating. Not every company did what the administration asked them to do. There were those who stood up and said, no, give me a court order and I'll comply under the law. They should be commended for what they did. And for those who said we were just doing our patriotic duty, their legal departments were not first-year law students. They know what the law is, I hear. And yet they violated it and now seeking immunity, and the administration trying to keep secret its own 5-year plan that went on. So, Mr. President, I want to commend my colleague, and I'm going to offer when I get a chance that amendment that strikes Title II from the legislation. And I hope every senator here, this ought not to be about party or ideology. It's about our Constitution, and it shouldn't divide us along partisan lines. The FISA law is a good law. It's protected us for almost 30 years, with many amendments over that time. But to grant retroactive immunity to a handful of phone companies who eavesdropped on millions of people's conversations without obeying the law should not be sanctioned in this legislation.